Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Carabiner. It's a lot bigger than I imagined, but yeah, here it is. It was made for climbing. I can use it for a keychain, but nope. This is a lot bigger than I thought. Here it is. So, okay, once you turn it, press it in, and then unbox automatically. Yeah, so if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.